Welcome. Today in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31s and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application and here in the search pool enter the Green Apple Keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and installing on your device. Now just open the app, here click enable in settings and near the Green Apple Keyboard tap once on the switcher, click twice OK. Now just go back and tap to the switch input methods and switch your Samsung keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and as can you see that's finished. Now we'll just go somewhere, for example here, to see our keyboard, and as can you see our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.